Welcome to the channel. So as we discussed earlier, I told that we are going to discuss many image segmentation exercise using Python. So to execute that, we are going to use the Google Colab, and you can see the window here. This is the icon of the Google Colab. So now we are going to see the exercise of ShapeMask instance segmentation demo. Okay, so what is meant by ShapeMask instance segmentation demo? What is meant by segmentation? What is meant by segment? So segment is nothing but we are going to segment the image. So we are going to do some partition the image into, or you can just think like we are cutting the image into some particular squares or rectangles. Okay, so that's the meaning of that process of doing segment is called as segmentation. Then instance segmentation. What is meant by instance segmentation? So instance segmentation is a type of segmentation which can identify and highlight multiple instances of various objects in a image. So using instance segmentation, we can identify many different categories of or various objects in an image. For example, we will consider we are taking a family photo. So in that family photo, there will be many people will be there. And using this instance segmentation, we can highlight each person with a different colors. So all these instance segmentation models, they include mask, RCNN, and ShapeMask. Now we are going to see the one of the type named ShapeMask instance segmentation demo. So now this collab is used to explain how to use a ShapeMask model to perform instance segmentation on a sample input image. So in the output, how it will appear means consider the image. There will be many persons standing there. So each and every person will be segmented separately with different color. I mean, a bounding box will be drawn for each and every person, and the labels also will be mentioned. Now you can see what are the coding steps are there. So these are the sub. Okay. So we are going to download the source code of the ShapeMask model. Next step, import the libraries. Then the dataset uses Coco dataset. Then among the dataset, it will be having the trained data. So now we are going to do test of an image. So testing data, you have to load an image. And the next step, you have to create a TensorFlow session. So after the creation of the session, load the pre-trained model. Okay. So after doing everything, just click runtime, run all. So when you do run all, you can see the coding will start to execute. So import library is done, training data done. Now loading an image, even TensorFlow session is created. Load the pre-trained model, which is the last thing. So pre-trained model is present in the public GCS bucket. Now we are going to see the coding explanation. So code where you can get from the GitHub website, TensorFlow, TPU. Next step, import the libraries. So from IPython, import display from pill. Pill is as like the matplotlib library, matplotlib. So NumPy for all the Python codes, you need to explain, download this NumPy. It is a numerical Python. Next, since we are doing TensorFlow, we have to import the TensorFlow. So these are the libraries. So from the evaluation, you are importing the data set also. Now next stage, we have to load the data set. So what is the labels of the data set? So some persons are going on in a road. So bicycle, car, motorcycle, aeroplane, bus, train, truck, boat. And in roads, you can see traffic lights, fire hydrant, stop sign, parking meter, bench, bird, cat, dog, horse, sheep. So all some animals may be there, some birds will be there, some sports item will be there, some food items will be there. So those things will come under this COCO data set. Next, we have to we have to load the input image. So in input image, we have taken one street image, Kitano Street, which is present in Wikipedia. So we have called that input image. You can consider here, this is the input image. So how many objects are there? There are numerous objects. So before few years, for segmentation, you can see we would have used very simple photo which has just 4 or 5 objects. The background will be plain. So in real life, such kind of photos are very difficult. But nowadays, as the technology got progress, you can able to see the real-time images. You can able to apply our coding concepts on the real-time images. So from the image, you can see this is how our country roads will appear. So all the persons will be walking on the roads and vehicles are moving in the center. So some people, they carry umbrella. So they started to do some shopping works and few vehicles are parking and there are few houses also. Trees are there, traffic signals are there. This is the input image. Now we have to create a TensorFlow session. So these are some standard code which is used to create the TensorFlow session. The last thing we have to load the pre-trained model. So we are calling the saved model from the public GCS bucket. And finally, our objective is we have to do segmentation, which is nothing but create a bounding box for each and every person or object and retrieve the prediction. So here you can see detection boxes, detection outer boxes, detection scores, classes. And finally, we have to see the output result. So here you can see the humans are marked with a bounding box and there are some labelings also given for all the humans. So this is the output of an ShapeMask instance segmentation demo. If you have any other doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.